Are you an expert at worrying? Well, as a therapist who treats anxiety disorders, I can tell you that one of the most common worries has to do with health. The fear of having or contracting a serious medical condition. It's really easy for thoughts to spin out of control when you notice an odd sensation somewhere in your body or learn on Facebook that someone has come down with a terminal illness. I remember a former patient of mine who was so worried about cancer, she went to her doctor. After a few tests, he told her, "You have no reason to be worried, but if you're concerned, come back in 6 months." She was, of course, so relieved. But then later that day, she thought to herself, why would he tell me to come back in 6 months if there was nothing wrong? One question then led to another. What if the doctor missed something? Why do I keep getting headaches? What if the tumor was so small the MRI did not detect it? She became so anxious, she needed answers immediately. So what did she do? She started searching the web. And as she reread the same articles over and over about symptoms of brain cancer, she felt a headache coming on. Of course, that's when her anxiety kicked into high gear. Now, if you can relate to this scenario, consider this. The illness you fear may not be the illness you have. Instead of having a medical condition, you might be suffering with an anxiety disorder, specifically illness anxiety or somatic symptom disorder. I'll be presenting a live webinar on this topic through the Anxiety and Depression Association of America on December 7th. So please go to adaa.org and sign up for this live event. You'll have opportunities to ask me questions, and I'll teach you what steps you can take to free yourself from health anxiety. If you're unable to participate in the live webinar, you can still watch it on the ADAA website anytime. The Anxiety and Depression Association of America has information on all forms of anxiety, OCD, and depression. It's a fabulous website with thousands of articles, videos, and webinars, and you can search for a therapist in your area.